Lesson: Case Studies of AI in Cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence has become an indispensable tool in the realm of cybersecurity, offering innovative solutions to combat increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, detect anomalies, and predict potential threats has revolutionized traditional cybersecurity practices. This lesson explores several case studies that illustrate the transformative impact of AI in enhancing cybersecurity measures, focusing on real-world applications and outcomes. One of the most notable examples of AI in cybersecurity is its application in threat detection and response systems. Traditional cybersecurity systems often struggle to keep up with the sheer volume of data and the complexity of modern cyber threats. AI systems, such as those developed by Darktrace, utilize machine learning algorithms to identify and respond to cyber threats in real time. Darktrace's AI-driven platform, known as the Enterprise Immune System, mimics the human immune system by learning the normal patterns of life within a network and identifying deviations that may indicate a threat. This approach has proven highly effective in detecting previously unknown threats and reducing the response time to potential breaches. Another compelling case study is the use of AI in phishing detection. Phishing attacks, which involve tricking individuals into divulging sensitive information, are a common and persistent threat. Traditional methods of detecting phishing rely on blacklists and heuristic rules, which can be easily bypassed by sophisticated attackers. AI-driven solutions, such as Google's Safe Browsing, employ machine learning models trained on vast datasets of phishing and non-phishing websites. By analyzing features such as URL structure, website content, and user behavior, these models can accurately identify and block phishing attempts. According to a study by Google, their AI-based phishing detection system has reduced the number of successful phishing attacks by over 90%. The financial sector has also benefited significantly from AI-enhanced cybersecurity. Financial institutions are prime targets for cybercriminals due to the high value of the assets they manage. AI-powered systems are used to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions. For instance, JP Morgan Chase employs an AI system known as COIN to analyze legal documents and identify potential fraud. COIN leverages natural language processing and machine learning to process millions of documents in seconds, significantly reducing the time and cost associated with manual reviews. This system has not only improved the efficiency of fraud detection, but has also enhanced the accuracy of identifying fraudulent activities, thereby safeguarding the institution from substantial financial losses. AI's role in cybersecurity extends beyond threat detection to include predictive analytics and proactive defense mechanisms. Predictive analytics involves using historical data to forecast future cyber threats, allowing organizations to take preemptive measures. For example, the cybersecurity firm Cylance uses AI to predict and prevent malware infections. Cylance's AI platform, Cylance Protect, employs machine learning algorithms to analyze the characteristics of various malware samples and predict their behavior. This predictive capability enables the system to block malware before it can execute, providing a proactive defense against cyber threats. A study conducted by Cylance demonstrated that their AI-driven approach could prevent 99% of malware infections, compared to traditional antivirus solutions that only achieved a 50% success rate. Moreover, AI is increasingly being used to enhance user authentication processes. Traditional authentication methods, such as passwords and security questions, are often vulnerable to attacks. AI-driven biometric authentication systems offer a more secure alternative by analyzing unique physiological and behavioral characteristics. For instance, the use of AI in facial recognition technology has significantly improved the accuracy and security of user authentication. Apple's Face ID, which utilizes AI algorithms to analyze facial features, has set a new standard for secure authentication. According to Apple, the probability of a random person unlocking an iPhone using Face ID is approximately 1 in 1,000, compared to 1 in 50,000 for Touch ID. This demonstrates the potential of AI-driven biometric systems to enhance security and reduce the risk of unauthorized access. In addition to these applications, AI is also being leveraged to enhance the security of critical infrastructure. Critical infrastructure, such as power grids, water supply systems, and transportation networks, is essential to the functioning of society and is a prime target for cyber attacks. AI-driven cybersecurity solutions are used to monitor and protect these vital systems. For example, the industrial cybersecurity firm Dragos uses AI to detect and respond to threats targeting industrial control systems. Dragos' AI platform analyzes data from ICS networks to identify anomalies and potential threats, enabling timely intervention to prevent disruptions. A case study conducted by Dragos highlighted their success in preventing a cyber attack on a major power utility, demonstrating the effectiveness of AI in protecting critical infrastructure. The integration of AI in cybersecurity also raises important ethical and privacy considerations. The use of AI-driven surveillance and monitoring systems, while enhancing security, can potentially infringe on individual privacy rights. It is crucial for organizations to balance the benefits of AI in cybersecurity with the need to protect user privacy. This involves implementing robust data protection measures and ensuring transparency in the use of AI technologies. Additionally, the development and deployment of AI systems must adhere to ethical guidelines to prevent misuse and ensure that AI-driven decisions are fair and unbiased. In conclusion, the case studies presented in this lesson underscore the transformative impact of AI in enhancing cybersecurity. From threat detection and phishing prevention to fraud detection and critical infrastructure protection, AI-driven solutions offer unprecedented capabilities to combat cyber threats. The integration of AI in cybersecurity not only improves the efficiency and accuracy of threat detection, but also enables proactive defense mechanisms to prevent attacks. However, the adoption of AI in cybersecurity must be accompanied by ethical considerations and robust data protection measures to ensure that the benefits of AI are realized without compromising individual privacy. As AI technology continues to evolve, its role in cybersecurity will undoubtedly expand, offering new opportunities to enhance the security and resilience of digital systems.